Hello! Today I'm going to show you how I built an AI assistant. But first, why did I build an AI assistant? And what is this channel all about? Well, to get real serious for a moment, there is so much going on in the world all the time. Look at what's happening in the Middle East. Look at Ukraine and Russia. Every time I turn on the news, I see another natural disaster. Every time I want to help. Every time I feel helpless. Yes, I can talk about it, share it on social media, raise awareness. Yes, I can donate to worthy causes if I have enough money. But these options don't seem enough for me. I want to do more. I want to make more of an impact. So lately, today it's January 2024. AI is taking over the world. Everybody's using AI. And AI is supposed to be this revolutionary thing. So let's use it. Let's use it to change the world. So join me on my journey to learn and figure out how AI works, harness the power of it, and together, let's make something that can change the world. And perhaps you can get inspired by something we make here on this channel and make something yourself. So join me and let's get started. And of course, as we know, any great adventure or journey requires a good sidekick, or in this case, a good assistant. So that will be our first project. Let's get started. So this is ChatGPT, and technically I can type and ask questions to it all day and get answers. So right now I can type into ChatGPT with text, and it'll give me a response with more text. But I want to be able to speak with it with my voice, and I want it to respond with a voice, and maybe even a human face. So that's what we're going to do today. Now, let's start brainstorming. So we know that ChatGPT accepts text as an input. So how do we do that with our voice? Well, first we record ourselves into a mic, or speak into a mic. That gets saved into a file. And then how do we change that file into text? Well, we use something called voice-to-text software, or VTT. And the one we're going to be using today is by OpenAI called Whisper. So in order to test if that actually works, I had to do some coding, and from that I created a front end. So let's test it out. What is the average velocity of a swallow? I recorded my voice, and it successfully transcribed it, and there was actually a response. So it worked. Yay! Alright, so this part we got down. Now that we're done part 1, aka the easy part, how do we do part 2? We need to convert the response from ChatGPT into a face that actually talks back to us. How do we do this? Now, after spending hours and hours of doing research, I think I found a solution. I found a website that does exactly this. It's called DID, and it does exactly what we're looking for, it looks like. So let's give it a shot. Now, it looks like to get this to work, we need to provide a photo of our assistant. So let's go ahead and do that. To do this, I'm going to use a software called Midjourney to generate an image for us. So to use Midjourney, you have to use an app called Discord, and then you got to figure out how to generate images. So after many hours of trial and error, I figured it out. All right, after some waiting, we got these images, and after many hours of refining this, many hours into this, honestly, I definitely got carried away on this one. I spent way too much time trying to refine the perfect AI assistant, but hey, this is our AI assistant, so we get to pick how it looks. So many hours later, we found an image, and now let's go back to DID. So I plugged in the image that we generated into DID's API, plugged it into my app, and to make it work, I had to actually deploy it to the web to get it to work properly. All right, after some more editing, I put it up on the web, and now let's test it out. Who won the 2019 NBA championship? That's a pretty valid question. Who won the 2019? Okay, so the audio definitely works. No video is showing up, but I think probably still worked. So these are the logs. It did get my question. It got a response. This is just gibberish to most people, but it got me this video. So let me click on this. All right, that created a video. Let's check it out.
The Toronto Raptors won the 2019 NBA championship.
All right, it worked. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's play that again.
The Toronto Raptors won the 2019 NBA championship.
Wow. Let's do it one more time.
The Toronto Raptors won the 2019 NBA championship.
Okay. Hey, AI assistant. Let's call you Jane. Hey, Jane, who won the NBA championship 2019?
The Toronto Raptors won the 2019 NBA championship.
Nice. Now, going back to our diagram, we took the response from ChatGPT, we added a face to it, and it successfully spoke back to us. I would mark that as a success. So now that we know that it works, I simplified the front end. Let's ask Jane something else. What is the tallest building in the world? Okay, see if that worked. Okay. Wait for the video.
As of September 2021, the tallest building in the world is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It stands at a height of 828 meters, 2,716 feet.
Let's go! Alright, that about does it for this video. We were successfully able to talk to ChatGPT, and it can talk back to us with a voice and a face, making a great AI assistant. Now, it wasn't seamless, but we can improve that on a next video. And I didn't get too much into the code because I thought that would be way too boring. So I hope you guys liked it. Now that we have this AI assistant, I'm hoping we can build upon this and use this assistant to make even better things and learn even more about AI. So please, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.